Welcome back, everybody. My name is Matt Sr., and you're watching 412 Public Safety Equipment Customs YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. I apologize it's been so long since we uploaded a video, but I am back with a new video that was requested. So today, as you can tell, I have 3 of the Feniex AM600 beacons in front of us. I have one in amber. As you can see, the amber one has the magnetic vacuum type mount. I have a green one with the 1-inch pipe mount connection on it. And then I also have a red one sitting over there, which is the permanent mount, which is the way they normally come if you order them without an accessory, or you're not sure you need to appropriate the accessory. They do come permanent mount. That's the way they come unless you order one of the 2 other mounts. So one thing I will say, as a warning to you guys, for some reason, I'm not sure why, but it seems as if Feniex just doesn't have a great quality system as far as hardware is concerned. We have seen many different variations of hardware. Some beacons have come with washers, some beacons have not come with washers. So I'm not real sure where the separation is there. I don't know if it's, their employees that are packing the hardware or what it is. But just be forewarned, you may have to get your own hardware. Now, I will tell you for sure that we have noticed that the pipe mount does not come with hardware. So you will have to find your own 6/32 bolts for them. Of course, make sure you get a high-grade stainless steel. Obviously, we all know stainless steel, as long as it's a high-grade stainless steel, it will never rust on you. That's one thing that I will say about Feniex. The hardware that we have received has been so far high quality stainless steel, so bravo to them for that. These Feniex AM600s have been catching a lot of flack. You got a lot of people saying, oh, they're not bright, they don't match up to Whelen, they don't match up to Federal Signal. Well, I just kind of want to explain something. I've dealt with Whelen. I have Whelen beacons that I run currently on my company vehicles, and I love them. The Feniex AM600 uses a different type of technology to spread their light. So a normal beacon, an LED beacon, just like the strobe beacons, uses one main focal point of the outer lens normally. Most designs. For example, Sound Off uses it in their 4500 series. Abrams uses it now with their beacon series. Feniex is using not only the fluted outer lens, but they're also using basically the wide lux on the interior. Now, they have spread their LEDs out completely around the surface of the beacon, and it may not give you the same punch as that focal optic as the Sound Off does or whatever, but I've noticed, because I see a lot of these out in the field in operation, and the light spread that the Feniex AM600 has, it's impressive. It really is. I mean, it's not, you can watch all the videos you want, and they just really don't do these things justice. So I will definitely give Feniex a compliment for that. So let's get into the mounting options that you have available. So the first beacon that we have here, this is our red beacon. And this is how it will come. It will come with a permanent mount base. You have 3 holes. It will come with a set of stainless steel screws. It does come with a nice long cord, and it comes with your cigarette plug. That's what you get when you purchase the AM600. If you purchase the AM600 and their magnetic suction mount, you will get this base. This base comes with 3 basically self-tappers. They're like plastic self-tappers. They are high-grade stainless, so you don't have to worry about them rusting on you. It will come as, it's basically a 3-piece system. You have the boot, and then you have a plastic ring that the beacon screws to, and then there is a metal ring on the inside, and I'm almost 100% sure it's a steel ring. That's where the magnet comes in. So the magnet is hidden up underneath here, obviously, to keep your vehicle roof protected. Keep in mind, if you do drive a newer Ford, this will not work. You may be able to get the suction cup to adhere, but it's not going to adhere well enough to operate that motor vehicle with the beacon on it. So I do not recommend it. It does come with a nice little tab here for you to release the suction anytime you want to lift this off and either deposit it on a different vehicle or remove it and permanent mount it. Let's say you wanted to do that. So there you have it. That's the magnetic suction mount. It's actually a nice sturdy mounting option. I do recommend it. You know, for those volunteers or those field engineers, civil engineers, or volunteers, it's definitely a great way to put the beacon on your roof. Now, number 3, your third option is, of course, the 1-inch normal pipe mount. So this is a cast aluminum plate. I will warn you guys that you will have to come up with a 6/32 bolt. I have these, I believe these are 1/2-inch bolts, but I think a 3/4 would fit better because your threads are pretty much going to go down to the bottom of this little nipple that you see here. And as you can tell, this is one of our demo pieces. This is how we secure our demo units on the pipe mounts to display the pipe mounting option. This is how we set them up in our shop. So yeah, there you have it. There's your 3 mounting options. You have your permanent mount, which is included in the price, and then you have 2 additional options that are an upcharge. You will pay extra for it. Prices will vary depending on what dealer you choose. Give us a call if you're interested or you need one of these mounting options. We will definitely get you all set up. We do keep them in stock. And so I'm also going to pause the video here real quick, and we're going to check out this pretty sweet green beacon. I don't think I have done a flash pattern video with the green one, and we use green in our local community. Green sometimes is used for security, but most of the time, if there's green on a security vehicle, it's a government contracted security company. Green 9 times out of 10 in my locale it signifies command, so we use them on fire command vehicles and police command vehicles. So yeah, give me a minute. I'm going to pause the video and we'll get this thing fired up and we'll check it out.